Hello, everyone. This time I'm back with some figures of speech. Today I'm going to discuss a very beautiful part of English language, figures of speech. Now, what are figures of speech? A figure of speech is a word or phrase using figurative language, language that has other meaning other than its normal definition, making it more creative, more expressive, and more interesting. They have implied a suggested meaning rather than a dictionary meaning. They add interest and color to awaken the imagination. Figurative language is everywhere, from classical works like Shakespeare to everyday speech. It makes the reader or listener use their imagination and understand much more than the plain words. Figurative language is the opposite of literal language. It means something different to and usually more than what it says on the surface. Example, he ran fast is literal language and he ran like the wind is figurative language. There are many figures of speech in the English language. Today I am going to discuss two commonly used figures of speech, similes and metaphors. If we say your eyes are like the sun, this is a simile. But if we say you are my sunshine, it's an example of a metaphor. Both similes and metaphors link one thing to another. Simile shows a comparison or likeness between two things clearly. It uses words such as like, as, etc. Example, he fought like a lion. But a metaphor is an implied simile. It creates a relationship directly and leaves more to imagination. In metaphors, we omit the words as, like, etc. He was a lion on the battlefield. He is as tall as a mountain. Doesn't mean he is actually 1,000 feet tall. It just means he is really tall. This is an example of a simile. Peak of a career is an example of a metaphor. Since a career is not a literal mountain with a peak, but a metaphor represents the idea of arriving at the highest point of one's career. Some popular examples of similes are as big as an elephant, as easy as ABC, as cool as cucumber. She swims like a fish, as black as coal. Her heart is as cold as ice. He was as small as a mouse, as busy as a bee, fierce like a tiger, as clear as crystal, ran like the wind, light as a feather, sweet as sugar, and so on. The list is endless. For metaphors, we can say, he is a couch potato, his heart is of gold, the school was a circus, the horse was lightning running across the field. Pillar of success. Time is money. He was a tiny mouse sitting in the back of the classroom. She is the apple of my eye. Beautiful examples for metaphors are the paintbrush was a magic wand in his hand. A blanket of snow covered the streets. In the end, in a nutshell, we can say, firstly, definition. Metaphor is a comparison between two things that are not alike and replaces the word with another word. Simile is a comparison between two things that are not alike and uses the word as, like, etc. Secondly, purpose. Of a metaphor is to paint a picture for the reader, and of a simile is to paint a picture and give an example. Thirdly, memory tip. For a metaphor is the subject is said to be another subject, and for a simile, a subject is said to be like another subject. Before saying goodbye, I would like to quote William Shakespeare as a beautiful example of metaphor. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrance. Another one is Khalil Gibran's timeless metaphor. Our words are but crumbs that fall down from the feast of the mind. This is a beautiful, famous example of a successful double metaphor. So that's it for today. Bye for now. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. Bye.